Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Engineer Insights with 𝗦cie𝗰𝗶𝗹. So here I am going to tell some important tips and terminologies for the LinkedIn optimization. So basically, as you know that in the market, there are a lot of competition is coming in the market. So when you are going to apply for the jobs, you will see that there are a lot of openings are there on the LinkedIn, Insta here, different career pages, but you don't get the call. So the best way to get the interview call through the LinkedIn. I am not telling about the LinkedIn is a platform which help you to get the interview call and the offer letter also. But I am going to tell here in this video how LinkedIn optimization and LinkedIn profile can help you to get the profile shortlisted in your in the different companies, different product based companies. So I am in this video. Let's get started on this part. Okay. So here you can see my LinkedIn account. Here is that. So basically I see that many users does not add your proper description in the LinkedIn heading. Okay, so I will advise here is that to add the proper description. Like I added I am working as a data engineer 3. Recently I worked in 𝗦cie and Morgan Stanley, and my achievement that I am gold medalist of Uttarakhand topper, and I have this post impression on LinkedIn. So just like for a fresher, they can add that a data engineer enthusiast, software engineer enthusiast / looking for data engineer and software engineer opportunity with the skill set. So your description should be proper proper, so that easy your HR, hiring managers and human resource recruiter can see your profile and looks attractive to the other people on the LinkedIn. Second is add your profile picture. Okay, add the profile picture is very important because I see many people does not have a profile picture in the LinkedIn. So having the profile picture is very mandatory, so that your profile gets shortlisted in the if you are applying job through the LinkedIn. Okay, then add a cover page letter. So cover page is means basically if you have are working some other technologies, you can add the technologies name, poster, technology name, poster. If you are working in some company like XYZ company, Amazon, you can add the poster for Amazon. It look like that you are working in that company, and add your skill set here. Okay, add the position, also add the location here properly, so that it can be look like you are working in this location. Okay, now coming to the below down, if you see my feature, so basically if you are making a post, so basically I will advise you try to post on the LinkedIn as much you can. Basically if you want to grow your profile on the in the market for the data engineer role, for the software engineer role, LinkedIn is a very important tool. And to get your profile get noticed by the HR and the talent acquisition team, so you have to post on some multiple posts on the LinkedIn regarding your achievement, certification, your skill set. So you can try to make a basic post also. So basically if I open this post, if you see that I have make the post on certification achievement, and you can add in the feature, so it will be shown in the your profile section. Then try to add up some post, as I am going to share my post at daily basis, 2 posts daily, so you can share your post for your reach on the LinkedIn. Then last part is about section is very important part in the LinkedIn. The reason is if I'm talking about the LinkedIn part, about section like where mostly HR see that what your achievement, what kind of tech stack you are working on. So it's like important to have this profile in the about section, so that HR can see that you are working on this technologies, and hiring manager also. Okay, so I added my achievement, my gold medalist, I received the gold medalist in computer science and engineering. Then you can mention at what kind of help you are providing on the LinkedIn. Let's suppose you are working as an influencer on the LinkedIn, so you can share that I am working on sharing the roadmap, sharing important resources, time management, everything you can provide. Also if you are working on some tech stack which are booming in the market, like Databricks, data lake, big data, GCP, PySpark, so you can add your skills here. Okay, this is very important part in the LinkedIn about section. So for fresher and for experienced people, your LinkedIn should be optimized in such a way. Now coming to the experience section, I see that many people has gaps in the education, in the experience because of some personal reasons, some other reasons. So try to add your experience properly in the LinkedIn profile, so that HR can see that what kind of company, which company you worked on, what tech stack you worked on, like that. So basically if you see my profile, I worked in Walmart as a senior SD3 data engineer 3, and before that I worked in 𝗦cie and Morgan Stanley. So I added proper subject line with the proper title and proper like a proper location, which location I worked on. Suppose in 𝗦cie I worked in Bangalore, so I'll add the location Bangalore. And if you want to add your skills, let's suppose which is tech stack you are worked on the each company, you can add the tech stack here. So I tech stack of 𝗦cie here, like AWS, Database, big data, all this thing, etc. And if you want to add what kind of projects and what kind of some use case and impact you have made in your company. So try to add your impacts in the description part in the each profile section. Okay, so this will help you to make the experience proper descripted. If you want to add new experience, you just have to click add position. Here you have to provide a title like software engineer, data engineer, and so on, company name, and then you have to provide some description. In the description you can provide like you worked on some technology like AWS database, 𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗹, and cloud Kubernetes. So this will help you to focus on hiring manager to, instead of wasting much time on seeing the multiple things, they can see the what, yeah, this person has worked on this company with this tech stack and on this some impacts they made on this company. Now coming to the education part. Education part is very important for the fresher. For experience, they can just add the highest graduation like BTech or MTech based on that. But for a fresher, they just need to add a 10th and 12th graduation also. So basically, if you see my education, I added my BTech graduation with my percentage also, and my some activities that I worked on, and some 10th and 12%, 95%. Then you can add your license and certification. Suppose you are working on some project and you are getting some certification from Udemy courses and some other website, like you achieve the certification in GCP, AWS, and Azure. So you can try to add your certification in the LinkedIn as well. Okay, this will help you to the HR and hiring manager, data engineer manager, and software engineer manager to check that you are a skilled person. But yeah, this is a very important point that some people only achieve the certification but does not have the knowledge. So add your learning also with the certification. Now coming to the skills. So which skill set you have worked on. So in the LinkedIn we can add a maximum 50 skills. If you want to add the skills, so you can add top 3 skills. If you see my see that I have added top 3 skills: GCP, AWS database, and so on, big data. Let's suppose you worked on some with other people, like you worked with other people like in your company, like if you are worked in as an intern, if you worked as a some senior person and some data engineer, software engineer person with other people. So you can take a recommendation from the people regarding your profile, regarding your achievement, so that it will look like that you worked with that person and person is very happy with your work. So if you see my screen, then I got like 17 like recommendation from the other people from Meesho and Morgan Stanley that I worked on this technology, and they are recommending me for the new role in my journey. So this will help that you are truly deserving in the profile, and you worked hardly within the previous company. Then if you publication is basically for if you are working on some research paper, you worked on publication, patent, you can add your title with the link of the publication, so that people look like, yeah, you have worked on some research innovative mind also. Then you can add your courses also. If you are working on some course like AWS EKS cluster, database, Spark, Python, SQL, you can add your courses here. Then finally you can add your honors and awards. Awards basically you receive some awards from the college graduation, you receive from awards from the previous company, so you can try to add your award as much you can. Okay, then test score and languages. So the main advantage of telling this complete journey is that LinkedIn profile is very important for having the optimization. Okay, and this will help you definitely in the career, so that it can help you in the career, so that you can your profile can reach by multiple people. As of now, networking is a very important part. Without networking, you are not able to get a proper job. If you apply on the career page, you are not able to get the interview call. You see that your profile get rejected, your profile not able to shortlisted. So by using this LinkedIn optimization, you can reach out to the HR recruiters, HR talent acquisition team. Okay, and you can use the job section on the LinkedIn to apply the job using the easy apply option. When you apply the job using easy apply, you will see that HR will check your LinkedIn profile also. So LinkedIn profile is very important to get updated with your skill set, experience letter, experience things, skills, certification, achievements, everything. So this is all about the LinkedIn optimization. Hope you like my video. Please get in touch with me on LinkedIn or other platform. Happy journey. Bye.